Okay, here's what's going on. Now, I can use the stick to navigate all of the menus normally. Everything's working okay here. All right, let's go ahead and try Aladdin. Okay. Okay, nothing. Okay. Now I'm pressing up on the stick. It won't go up to start game or down. None of the buttons are working now. Now I can use the home button and quit the game, and the stick works here. No problem. Back to the main menu. Let's see, go to BYOG. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm unable to go into this through App Store X and see the menus on CoinOps. That's not working either. Here's your 1944. Pressing some buttons. Play one. Okay. Alright, got the game started. Alright. Oh, okay, well actually it's working this time. Weird. Now it seems to be working on CoinOps. Except for... Oh, okay. Alright. Alright, looks like we're okay on this one. I've had problems with some of the CoinOps games. This is the first time I've tried it with this one. The health check shows everything's okay.